Students, we are discussing more questions of the GP today. We have discussed some questions yesterday. I also have asked you that we will discuss more of the questions of this exercise. Let us see the question number 28 here. It's a question of different type. The sum of the two numbers is 6 times their geometric mean. Sum of two numbers 6 times their geometric mean. Let two numbers be x, a and b. Two numbers be a and b. Then geometric mean is given by square root of AB. It is given that sum of two number is equal to 6 times their geometric mean. Show that numbers are in the form 3 plus 2 root 2 ratio 3 minus 2 root 2. We have to show the ratio of the numbers, means A ratio B is equal to this. Now it can be written as 6A plus B 2 into 3 into square root of AB, or you can write it as A plus B upon 2 square root of AB in the denominator and 3 as it is. Now if we take by applying componendo and dividendo, it's a property of the proportion. If we take 2 or 3 ratios equal to each other, that is known as a proportion, and that is the property of the proportion that we are applying here component dividendo. What we have to do here, in the numerator we have to add in numerator and denominator, and in denominator we have to subtract numerator and denominator. So it gives A plus B plus 2 root AB, A plus B minus 2 root AB, 3 plus 1 and 3 minus 1. It becomes square root A plus square root B whole square. A square root of A square, B square root of B whole square. So it becomes A square plus B square plus 2. AB की आइडेंटिटी यहाँ अप्लाई करें, it becomes root A plus root B whole square upon square root of A minus square root of B whole square, 4 upon 2, that is 2 here. Now taking square root of both sides, it will become square root of A plus square root of B upon square root of A square root of B, that is square root of 2. Now again applying componendo and dividendo. Again applying componendo and dividendo. Again adding in the numerator plus denominator gives you 2 square root of A, and in the denominator we have to take numerator minus denominator, so root A get cancelled, becomes 2 root of B. It becomes root 2 plus 1 upon root 2 minus 1, because there is 1 in the denominator. Now cancelling 2 here, squaring both sides, we get A upon B, 2 plus 1 plus 2 square root of 2, 2 plus 1 minus 2 square root of 2, that is A upon B, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 minus 2 root 2, therefore A ratio B is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 ratio and 3 minus 2 root 2, and this we have to show the ratio of the two numbers is 3 plus 2 root 2, ratio 3 minus 2 root 2. If we see the question number 29, it is given that if A and G with the arithmetic mean and geometric mean respectively between two positive numbers. Let us take let two positive numbers are A and B, therefore arithmetic mean is given by A is equal to A plus B upon 2, and geometric mean G is given by square root of AB. We have to show that two numbers are A plus minus root A plus G into A minus D na square root. So what we have to do here, हमें दोनों numbers show करने हैं यहाँ पर. So it becomes twice of A is equal to A plus B and G square is equal to AB. Now again we have the sum of numbers and the product of numbers, so we have to apply the identity A minus B whole square. Now since A minus B whole square is equal to A plus B whole square minus 4AB, such kind of identity we have also applied in one of the question, in the previous question I have discussed with you. So A minus B whole square, 2A whole square, 4G square, using first and second. So it becomes A minus B whole square is equal to 4A square minus 4g square, or you can write a minus b is square root of 4a square minus 4g square, or 4s common, and taking out of the square root becomes 2 here. It's square root of a square minus g square. Now solving this first and second, third. Solving first and third, it's a plus b is equal to twice of a, and a minus b is equal to 2 times of root a square minus g square. Therefore, on adding, twice of a is equal to 2a plus 2 square root of a square minus g square. A taking 2 common and cancelling from this side, we get a plus square root of a square minus g square. That's the value of a here. Now subtracting first and second, first and third, we get twice of b, 2a minus 2 square root of a square minus g square. So b is equal to a minus a square minus g square. So here the value of a is a plus root a square minus g square, and the value of b is a minus root a square minus g square. Therefore, two numbers are a plus or minus square root of a square minus g square, or you can say a plus minus a minus g into a plus g in a square root. That we have to show here. Okay. Let us see the question number 32 after that. And the question number 32, it is given that if the arithmetic and geometric mean of the roots of quadratic equation are 8 and 5 roots, let roots of quadratic equation be, say, a and b. So arithmetic mean is given by a plus b upon 2, and geometric mean is given by square root of ab. Now arithmetic mean is 8 and geometric mean is 5. Therefore, 8 is equal to a plus b upon 2, 16 is equal to a plus b, and geometric mean is 5. So 5 is equal to ab, square root of ab implies. Now required quadratic equation is given by x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. It becomes x square minus 16x plus 25 is equal to 0. So that's our required quadratic equation. Now the next topic is sum to n terms of special series. Now special series is deleted from your syllabus in this year by the CBSE. So you don't have to do the exercise 9.4 and examples related with it. Moreover, the examples related or question related with it in the miscellaneous exercise. I am discussing the example 21 of the miscellaneous exercise. It is given to us if Pth, Qth, Rn and Ss terms of APR in GP. Let us take first term of GP be, say, A and capital A, and its common ratio be R. Therefore, Pth term, Pth, Qth, Rh terms of an AP is equal to A plus P minus 1, say D. Okay. तो इसको थोड़ा चेंज करते हैं, यहाँ GP ना लिख के AP लिखते हैं और यहाँ कॉमन डिफरेंस ले लेते हैं. लेट फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ AP be A and common difference be D. AQ is equal to A plus Q minus T, AR is equal to A plus R minus 1, D, and AS is equal to A plus S minus 1D. These all terms are in GP. Since AP, AQ, AR, AS are in GP, it implies second term divided by first term, third term divided by second term, fourth term divided by third term. Or we can take simply AP, AQ upon AP is equal to AR upon AQ. It is, now it can be written as, how can we write it as? It can be written as, we have to show that P minus Q, Q minus R minus S are in GP. तो उसको हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? इट कैन बी रिटन एज इक्वल टू ए क्यू माइनस ए पी अपॉन ए आर माइनस ए क्यू. इट्स अगेन अ प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द proportion. In the proportion, if we apply an operation in one of the term, same operation can be applied in the another ratio and they are equal to the given proportion. हम क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर? ये हमें proportion given है, हम इन दोनों का difference ले रहे हैं, ए क्यू माइनस ए पी, और या ए क्यू माइनस ए आर से भी हम लोग कर सकते हैं. मतलब इसको ए क्यू और पी माइनस क्यू, इसको ऐसे लिखिए, हम इनका डिफरेंस लेते हैं. लेट अस टेक द डिफरेंस ऑफ द न्यूमरेटर्स, दैट इज ए क्यू माइनस ए आर एंड ए पी माइनस ए क्यू. मैं चेक करवाता हूँ आपको. देखिए, हमने लिया, मान लिया 3/4 इज इक्वल टू 6/8. ये आपस में इक्वल हैं. तो अगर हम इनका डिफरेंस ले लेते हैं 3 माइनस 6 और 4 माइनस 8, क्या आएगा? इट इज माइनस 3/-4, अगेन 3/4 ही आ रहा है. सो इफ वी हैव proportion, then we can take the, as we apply the operation in the numerator, the same proportion we have to apply in the denominator, and that is given, becomes equal to the given proportion. जैसा हम न्यूमरेटर में ऑपरेशन लगाएंगे वैसे डिनोमिनेटर में लगा के अगर हम रेशियो निकालते हैं तो वो हमारे पास इसके इक्वल ही आएगा. ठीक है, तो हमने क्या लिया? हमने ऑपरेशन क्या लगाया न्यूमरेटर में? वी हैव टेकन द डिफरेंस ऑफ द न्यूमरेटर्स, द सेम वी टेक द डिफरेंस ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर्स एंड वी हैव फॉर्म द न्यू प्रोपोर्शन ए क्यू माइनस ए आर अपॉन ए पी माइनस ए क्यू. ऑन सॉल्विंग इट, ए क्यू माइनस ए आर सॉल्व करते हैं. ए गेट कैंसल, क्यू माइनस 1 माइनस आर प्लस 1 गेट कैंसल, वी गेट क्यू माइनस आर इंटू डी. इफ यू टेक ए पी माइनस ए क्यू, ए पी माइनस ए क्यू बिकम्स पी माइनस क्यू डी. डी गेट कैंसल, it is q minus r upon p minus q. Call it as first. Now we take, since they are GP, first of all we have taken aq upon ap, ar upon aq. Now we take ar upon aq is equal to as upon ar. Again applying the same here, ar minus as, difference of numerators, and here difference of denominators. On solving it, ar minus as gives you r minus s d. It will gives you q minus r d. D get cancelled, r minus s upon q minus r. Now you can see here aq upon ap is equal to ar upon aq, ar upon q upon a upon as, and they are equal to these terms. So on comparing first and second, what do we get? q minus r upon p minus q is equal to r minus s upon q minus r. ये आपस में इक्वल होंगे दोनों. So second term divided by the first term and third term divided by second terms इक्वल आ रहा है. इसका मतलब कैसे हैं? दे आर इन GP, इट इम्प्लाइज P माइनस Q, Q माइनस R एंड R माइनस S आर इन GP. ये हमें शो करना था यहाँ पर. एग्जाम्पल 22 भी देख लेते हैं इसका. In the example 22, if A, B, C are in GP, since A, B, C are in, इसका मतलब क्या निकला? सेकंड टर्म डिवाइड बाय फर्स्ट टर्म, थर्ड टर्म डिवाइड बाय सेकंड टर्म गिव्स यू बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए सी. ठीक है, क्या गिवन है यहाँ पर? 1 अपॉन ए टू द पावर एक्स. सिंस a to the power n 1 upon x, a to p to the power 1 upon y, c to the power 1 upon z कैसे हैं आपस में इक्वल है? प्रूव करना है. एक्स वाई जेड आर इन ए पी. इसको हम मान लेते हैं किसी कांस्टेंट k के इक्वल, से k. सो इट इम्प्लाइज ए टू द पावर एक्स किसके इक्वल है, के, तो ये बराबर आ गया के टू द पावर एक्स. इफ वी शिफ्ट द पावर बिकम रेसिप्रोकल. पहले भी क्या था 1/x से शिफ्ट करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, ए इक्वल टू के टू द पावर एक्स आ जाएगा हमारे पास. ऐसे यहाँ पर बी टू द पावर 1/y इज इक्वल टू के. इट इम्प्लाइज b is equal to k to the power y. c to the power 1/z is equal to k implies c is equal to k to the power z. Placing the values here by first. b square k to the power y whole square k to the power x k to the power z. So k to the power 2y is equal to k to the power x plus z. Therefore 2y is equal to x plus z or y plus y is equal to x plus z. और y माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू जेड माइनस वाई. क्या आ गया ये, सेकंड टर्म माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म, थर्ड टर्म माइनस सेकंड टर्म. इट इम्प्लाइज दैट दे आर इन ए पी. इट इम्प्लाइज एक्स वाई जेड आर इन ए पी. दैट वी हैव टू शो. देयर आर मोर क्वेश्चंस वी हैव टू डिस्कस. आई विल डिस्कस टू विद यू दैट क्वेश्चन अबाउट दैट क्वेश्चन इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. टिल देन ट्राई टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज. ओके, सो क्लियर योर टॉपिक, अंडरस्टैंड इट, डू योर क्वेश्चंस, practice it. And we will discuss more questions on this topic, that is the sequence series, in the next lecture. Till then, thank you.